Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and this is the place where I do all my knitting, my crochet, my tutorials, my videos. Everything happens here in my nookery. If you're new here, I'm based in the UK and it's not too bad today. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and you're all keeping well. So today is the Roundup video for the hashtag Sock It To Me Challenge 2022, and it's actually the last video too for this year. First off, I want to thank Kim, my sweet Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits, who along with myself we did the Sock It To Me challenge for this year. Next year I am going to be continued doing it with the consent of Kim. I'm going to be doing it on my own and it's going to be called hashtag Sock It To Me 2023. There's no challenge, but I would still like for you to send me photographs of your socks with a little information about the pattern you've used, by what yarn you've used and what needle size you've used too. And then what I'll do is at the end of every month next year I will do a slideshow at the end of my Roundup video after I've made my socks, and I'll also put a link in the description box for each of your channels. So it's another way for me to give you a shout out as well. So without further ado, I am going to show you my socks. So these socks are the socks that I finished in November, but I'd already done the video, and these are Rick's socks. These I've used Siobhan Crafts yarn, and Siobhan is, as you all know, she's in Warrington. And in the new year I do plan to go across to Siobhan's and pick out some new yarns. So yeah, so that is that one, and a nice camouflage. And as you all know, Rick was spent 22 years in the army, so I thought the camouflage yarn would work well, and he loves them. He has worn them, guys, he has worn them and he loves them. And then for December I decided to make us a pair of Christmas socks each. So for mine I used King Cole's Fruits, and it looks like a watermelon to me, so I made a pair for myself. So they're mine. And then for Rick I used the Yorkshire Spinners Hollyberry, and these are Rick's Christmas socks, so they've been made in plenty of time for Christmas. So yeah, so they're nice and comfortable. And so at the end of this video, guys, I will have a slideshow, and I want to thank Ingrid from Ingrid's Inspirations, Kim Yankee, Evelyn Oxner, Hannah Sedaris and Amy Knits, who have sent in socks for this month. I also want to take time to thank each and every one of you who did send me photographs of your socks and it was really sweet of you. The response we got from this has been amazing, guys, and I'm hoping that it will continue going on into the new year. And a lot of you have been asking me to do a knitted sock tutorial, and I'm hoping to do that sometime in next year. So without further ado, guys, thank you all so very much for all your support, for all your comments, for all your love that have you sent me this year. Thank you so very much. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the last video for 2022, guys. My next video will be on the 1st of January and it will be a knitting podcast. So thank you everybody. I wish you all health and happiness for 2023. Take care everybody, stay safe, but as I always say guys, more importantly, you have to be kind to you. So take care, lots of love to each and every one of you. Bye for now.